So we have now improved my site. We have added dark mode. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is the home page here, and we have this little toggle up here that has a little moon and then moon phase sunshine and then to the moon like that, and it works really nice. As you can see, the colors change from the fonts to the background. Let's go to the investing page. Let me zoom out a little bit. You just go in here, you see dark mode comes in, switches over, and it uses transitions. So that's how it works. So the way that we do this is that it works automatically based on the user's preference, and that's a setting that's been added recently into the browsers. So I'll just show you a piece of code. So what we can do is on the app.html like this, we can do a little check to the page to see if the user prefers color scheme, and that will look at the operating system and it will add a dark class. Now the dark class is what Tailwind comes with styles for darking, sort of. So if the what you can do is you can just type dark like that, and if dark is on the home page, the body, it will apply a different style. So we can here see the gradient changes if it's in dark, and if it's not dark, it basically starts like that. And so we've got the two dark styles here, and we add transition as well just to give it a nice little fade. So let me just show you the code for that. So if we go to the body here, we can see that we have a dark class just here in the HTML. So yeah, so to document element, add class dark. So we have dark there like that. And so if we turn this off, we can see that the title and styles for non-dark mode are there. It's really that simple, that's all it is. Nothing really fancy to it. So this little thing up here, this little is actually using a checkbox and label. It's quite elegant actually, and just to give credit to the guy who created it. So I got a lot of my ideas from this example here, SvelteKit and Tailwind, and the code for that, the styling for that, for any images, is what I used for the styling of this. Okay, so let me just show you that. So we've got a header here, and what we've done is we've taken this GitHub example and we've basically just used this like that. So we have an input, which is nice because we can use a text box, and we have a label which has dark data dark, which we toggle based on this checkbox toggling, and it's quite elegant. The reason we have if dark mode ready is that we only want to show the this thing once the web application knows what the operating wants. Otherwise, this will render, and the operating system will look at the script to check the dark mode, and then it will switch that to the off if it's dark. So then you don't really want to see that flash. So that's why we do this. And then we also, when the component is on mount, we just check to see if the document element contains dark, and then we add in this like that. So we then reveal the selector. So that really is all I want to really talk about. So I mean, it's really elegant here, and we actually we've got the transitions in there, and the way that this toggle selector works. There's quite a lot of CSS, but it's all needed because we're not using images, and we're using clever CSS to hide the actual input to get this nice little selector. I mean, you can use libraries or even just a normal checkbox if you want, but that's how we've styled it there. So pretty much that's all there really is to talk about this. Nothing too special. Tailwind already supports dark mode selectors, and that's how we've done it. So I just want to show you some of the styles for dark mode. So for example, let me just see for the H1. Actually, we've just changed the actual text color for dark mode. So let me just do a quick search. So there's an example there. So we have the cards from our website, which are these things. These are cards. So these have, we're just applying dark mode background grey like that when it's dark. So they actually look darker. So that's it. So that's that class applied there. And that's basically how you do it with the text and everything. You just basically use dark wherever you want, and it switches. So, okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and go have fun with dark mode. It's that simple to do. Thanks for watching.